The Tiny Survival Guide is a treasure chest full of the life-saving tips, tactics, and skills you need to survive almost anything, all in a compact, credit card-sized micro guide at less than 1 ounce. Tiny Survival Guide is designed for everyday carry in your wallet, pocket, purse, pack, emergency kit, or glove box, so you can carry it everywhere, all the time. Inside, you'll learn how to survive wilderness mishaps, civil unrest, surprise attacks, natural disasters, nuclear, biological, and chemical events, abduction, hostage, and terror threats, active shooter situations, vehicle accidents, hiking, camping, and hunting emergencies, and a lot more. Packed with 175 expert tips, 101 detailed illustrations, 67 life-saving skills, 24 essential gear checklists, and 10 killer mistakes you must avoid. This is one tough guide. Designed in the USA and crafted in the UK, the Tiny Survival Guide is fashioned from hybrid, tear-resistant, and weather-repelling materials, found in some of the world's toughest wilderness maps. A great resource for almost anyone who doesn't want to be blindsided by the unexpected. The Tiny Survival Guide is perfect for folks who like to hike, camp, hunt, fish, backpack, go for a Sunday drive, a walk in the park, or explore exotic destinations. Add our new patent-pending Tiny Survival Card to your Tiny Survival Guide for a unique last-ditch toolkit that fits in your wallet. Fashioned from US-made hardened 302 stainless steel, the Tiny Survival Card contains 17 hard-to-improvise tools, including a mini spear point knife, an arrowhead, 3 needles, a finger drill, 6 fishing hooks, tweezers, a fully functional fine and medium saw, a button lure, and 2 micro harpoons. The Tiny Survival tool travels on a magnetic base, so you can use a tool and then replace it on the magnet for storage, making it easy to pre-sharpen the knife and place it back on the magnet ready for use. As you can see, the Tiny Survival Guide is much more than just another survival guide. It's a compact, everyday carry, credit card-sized life insurance policy in your pocket. This is the Tiny Survival Guide. Be sure to get in on our early bird specials and volume discounts. And know that 10% of the profit from this project goes to veteran, first responder, and disaster relief charities, to say thank you to those who put themselves in harm's way to keep us all safe and free.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I can't wait to get the Tiny Survival Guide and card into your hands and into the hands of millions of folks around the globe who want to be better prepared for their next emergency, crisis, or disaster. But I need your help. When you support this project, you'll get some unique everyday carry survival gear and help to fund our first large production run. So please share this video and campaign with your friends and family on social media, and check out our early bird packages and bulk discounts on Kickstarter. For your convenience, I've placed links in the video description. Thank you for your kind encouragement and support. And remember, be prepared, because you never know.